Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. And today I'd like to show you how I make these nice, good acorn squash. Very delicious. Okay, what you want to do is we're going to cut down the center of this. Now this is... Okay, you want to kind of rake out the seeds. I'm using a... Okay, once you got all the seeds out, what you want to do is you just want to cut align this. Little strips in here. Okay, you want 2 tablespoons of butter and a teaspoon of pumpkin spice with 2 teaspoons or tablespoons of sugar. And you want to combine this together. Okay, what you want to do is you want to take your sauce here with a brush and you just want to brush this on real good on both sides. Look at these delicious acorn squash, very delicious, with a little bit of nutmeg, cinnamon, and clovers. Okay, we're gonna do a taste test on this. This is delicious, looks delicious, smells good. Anyways, look at that. Oh my god. That's so delicious. That is delicious. I promise you it's good. Let's take another bite. Oh my god, it's very hot. Anyways, I want to thank y'all for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If y'all do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. You know, go good on this with a little bit of whipped cream. But anyways.